Hey guys, so today we're taking a look at Network Inventory Advisor. This is brought to you by the guys at Clear Apps. This is a great way to report on networked Macs with Network Inventory Advisor. It's the Mac edition for IT departments and network admins and stuff like that. So you can keep track of all the Macs on a local network for your small business, medium business, whatever it may be. It's a really great way to keep it all up to date, keep track of everything going on the network. So as you can see here, it is free for 10 nodes. If you're using it up to 10 nodes, it is free. Beyond that, you can go for the premium version. You can get a serial and all that. So you can see here, really simple interface. I really like it. It's super clean, and again, it's really touted because it's just get up and go. As soon as you download the app, there's no heavy downloads. You can just go and get right on with your network summary. You can see your tabular reports all right here. So let's go ahead and scan. So first off, you can scan your Mac. So you can see here, it'll show IP address. It'll show you your DNS name here. It'll show you the getting status of the node details. So you can see here, I'm on my MacBook Air. It's going to go ahead and scan if I have any other Macs. And you can see here, this is just my own Mac right here. So this is that really simple. I can select my Mac right here. It's already selected, and I can add the selected nodes into my network overview. From here, you can see I get a overview of everything. So you can see here my firewall, if it's on or off. In this case, it's off. You can see if I have storage, you can get storage for them. You can see the cost of that, locations, assets here, what version of OS 10 it's running. You can see this is just the general summary. From here, you go into software. So for example, you can see the software I'm running on my MacBook Air here. Basic stuff dealing with the Apple related stuff. You can see if there's any alerts. In this case, again, firewall that's disabled. And then you can even go in and see how the hardware is running. So you can see the the processor, motherboard. So you can see everything dealing with that of your machines, and I should say specifically Macs on the network. You can see how all their hardware is. If you need to, for example, do any upgrades or anything like that, you can see what they're running just from this one view on all your nodes. Again, you can add up to 10 nodes on one of the free editions of Network Inventory Advisor. Additionally, you can add a machine manually up here. Again, just inputting all the username, password, all relative information here. You can even see here, you can put in the local network, IP range, all of that good stuff. Additionally, from there you can do manage. You can create groups. So if you want to create groups, here you can have group 1, group 2. Maybe if you want to, it's a great way to organize it. So for example, if you have like groups on your business, whether it's like the IT department, sales, stuff like that, however you want to classify that, it's all up to you. So you can separate groups or nodes within groups. It's a really useful way for you to separate business, branches off and keep track of them. Other than that, you can reset all groups, clear the network, and then you can do great stuff like get reports. So you can get reports on all of your nodes within here. So again, another great way to filter everything down. So security, printers, network, all that information that you need to keep track of, you can filter it down and get a tabular report here. Of course, you can click on the tabular report here. And if you want to generate one, you can generate one this way as well, just by importing stuff like storage, memory, all that stuff, and it'll generate a tabular report. Now, also in the menu here, you have the great ability to export. You can export PDF, HTML, web archive. That's really great too, because if you need a digital thing you may want to throw out there, if you need any copies of the reports, you can do that. Of course, you can print a physical copy. So if you need to present it, if you need to keep a running log of physical reports, it's a great way to do that as well. And of course, you have all your menus up here, so you can rescan, create reports, manage, edit, window, help menu, all within the top there. And of course, your machines show up here on the nodes, just easy to access here. And again, you get that great overview of this, in this case, this one machine, the MacBook Air. Shows you everything down to the hardware specs, the storage and disk space. You can see the OS it's running here. In this case, you can see I'm running 10.8.1, the registered username, boot mode, time since boot, everything. I mean, it really gives you some really detailed information here, even down to the user accounts and or guest accounts, if any. Other than that, it is a really awesome application, really simple interface, clean, and again, it's no compromise. As soon as you download it, you just get scanning, adding to your reports. Great way to manage your networks. Again, this is Network Inventory Advisor for the Mac.